gathering for this year, but hopefully maging what do you call this? Very happy kayo with this event. At sana magkakakilala na kayo, no? There are some people who are not here yet, so sana makahabol pa sila. Ana, ilan na lahat ng mga nandyan? 23. So yung nag-sign is around 36 or 34. Okay. Sino yung taga Santiago? Okay, welcome. So thank you for coming. And there's also one who came from Cagayan pa. Si Ma'am Evelyn. Okay, thank you for coming too, no? So at least magkita-kitawan lang kayo na actually in the lupus group sa FB, may 100 plus na yun ng mga patients. So they are from different areas, meron sa Ifugao, Nueva Vizcaya. So yun yung mga hindi na talaga namin masyadong ma-invite kasi masyadong malayo. Okay? Okay na po ba?
Enjoy mo lang. Kung nagkini-doktora ka na, hanggang kaya doktora. Ito nga, maihiyain na. Kaya mata ka mo. Kasama mo akit din. Isao.
Muna ka na ulit tayo ng isang raffle. Habang nag-aantay. Ako muna. Okay. So, sino ang mananalo ng isang gift prize? Okay. May number 1. Pero number 1. Tapos, yung number 4. 14. Wow, si Ma'am Grace. Okay, wait, lock it up. Okay. Alright, next one. One more. Okay. Okay, wow. Sino kaya ang sumunod kay number 14? Kasi si number 15! Wow! Si Ma'am Ben. Okay. Wow, kailangan natin ng baby mo yan. Okay, wala pa? Okay, malapit na. O, isa pa. Okay, next number. Okay, my number 0. And my number 4. So, 04. Number 4. Oh, Gina. Come on down. Okay, Merry Christmas. Alright, next. Ano pa rin? Okay, last one na siguro ito. Okay. So, last one. Debutante. 18. Sinong 18? Wow! Sinong Evelyn?
Magpayaan na apat na
Okay, wow. Ano yan? Alright. Merry Christmas! O sige, mag-ready na ulit ako. Okay, so malamig na ang panahon, di ba? Nararamdaman niyo na kasi December 1 na. Ilang days na lang before Christmas? Stressful, ano? Grabe, bigla na lang, ano? Okay, so my title, the title of my presentation is Coping with Lupus During the Holiday Season, no? I think hindi naman lahat lupus patient, no? Pati mga kahit walang sakit, nai-stress pag Christmas. Tama ba? Stressful, ano? Okay, so let me start with this picture. So you're all familiar with the butterfly rush, di ba? So I taken this article from the internet. Okay, hello ma'am. Ano pangalan niyo ma'am? Ma'am Desiree, hello, welcome. Okay, so this is Dr. Liz Murray, no? She's 34 years old with 2 kids, and she was diagnosed with lupus. In this article, she shares what it's like to live with lupus and how sunny days can be the hardest. So, sabi nga niya, a hot day is hell. If you're living with lupus, I'd love a cold, rainy summer. So, enjoy kayo, di ba, pag medyo malamig na. Oo, kaaway nyo kasi yung sun, di ba? Okay, next pictures. Okay, so pinakita ko tong picture na to kasi sabi nila, it's in Australia that you experience a fairy tale Christmas, no? Kasi ito yung place na parang makikita mo sa books, no? Sa books mo na nakikita, may snow, may Christmas tree, tapos yung mga lights, masaya, di ba? Okay. So I included the celebration of of Christmas in the US. So in this picture, napakasimple lang, di ba? Meron lang silang handang chicken, hindi ko alam kung green peas ata ito, tapos may carrots, may corn. So napakasimple lang ng celebration. In the US kasi, mas sineselebrate nila yung Thanksgiving rather than Christmas. So yung Christmas hindi ba yata masyado doon. Okay, what about in Philippines, no? So, as early as September 1, you'll hear Christmas songs na. Di ba? Nagsi-celebrate na yung iba, naglalagay na ng Christmas decoration. Tapos, meron ka pang iisipin na pang-exchange gifts, mga pagkain, and then reunion, mga preparation, napakadami, no? So, medyo very overwhelming pag tradition ng Filipinos. Although masaya naman ang Christmas talaga. Which leads you to this, no? So, as lupus patients, you have these physical challenges. Ano ba yung una? How do you, yung picture na yan, what do you think is that? Fatigue, correct. So, nakita ko parang low bat, okay? Parang walang energy. And then the other one is the usual, no? Headaches, body pains, muscle pains. So, physically, meron kayong challenges. And then, because of all these situation, nagkakaroon pa ng tinatawag na social pressure, no? Kasi ikaw lahat kumaako, no? Especially kung halimbawa, breadwinner ka or nakadepend sa'yo yung mga tao. Okay? So, you have this peer pressure, and then stress, lahat ang dami mo iniisip, no? Family mo, gamot mo, sakit mo, anak mo, no? Sometimes pati parents, iniisip nyo din. And this leads to anxiety. So sa isang sulok na natulala ka na lang, wala ka na masyadong maisip. Okay? So very familiar, di ba? Physical and emotional challenges. Now, I have here some holiday-specific tips. Paano mo maiiwasan yung mga ganitong anxiety? So, isa sa mga suggestion is to plan ahead. Okay, so ako, I usually write down yung mga things to do kasi ulyanin na talaga ako. So, for example, you have a party coming next week, yung anak mo may party. So, plan ahead, isulat mo na lahat ng gagawin mo. Para on the day of the event, hindi ka na masyadong maraming iniisip, no? So, very important, you can write down, you can put it in your cell phone para may reminders. And then, simplify traditions, no? Before, I used to cook a lot of rice. Nagpa-prepare ako ng mga iluluto ko. Pag Christmas, pag New Year. Pero I realized, pagdating bago mag-Noche Buena, pagod na ako. So I changed that. Instead of cooking, nag-order na lang. Pipick up mo na lang yung in-order mo. Kasi ang hirap mag-prepare, no? Tapos parang hindi ka mag-i-enjoy kasi pagod ka na talaga sa kaka-prepare. And then, so yeah, you try to simplify traditions. If you used to giving a lot of gifts, no? Babalot ka pa, mag-shopping, edi mag-shopping ka na lang o Lazada. And then, kung tamad ka talaga, edi cash na lang, Gcash na lang. Edi-text na lang yung gift, di ba? Okay, sorry. And then again, next tip is prioritize self-care. So, syempre, unahin mo muna yung sarili mo, bago yung iba. Okay? What are the things that you can do para take care mo yung sarili mo? Any suggestions? What do you do usually? Self-care. Si Ma'am Den, ang alam ko, nagmumotor ito eh. Single, family ng motor niya. Oo, di ba? Nag-road trip kayo, ng husband mo. Yeah, alam ko eh. So, yung iba yan, road trip, yung iba, plantita, yung iba nagpa-painting, writing. So, those are the things that to them, it makes them relax. Yung iba nagpapaspa, ano pa ba? Naglalagay ng kilay. Okay? Pedicure yun. Oo. Okay. Next, you have to communicate with your loved ones. No? So, if you're tired, maybe you can also ask your family members to help with you, no? Yung mga ibang errands. So, try to talk to them, no? Explain your situation. And very important kasi pag malamig, diba, parang ayaw mong uminom kasi malamig eh. Iihi ka na naman. But you have to keep on drinking. You have to stay hydrated. Okay? So these are other lupus-friendly holiday activities. Low-key gatherings, no? So again, huwag ka na mag-host ng mga big celebrations, no? Baka birthday ng anak mo, ng tatay mo, gusto mo, en grande. So try to simplify, no? Just invite yung mga close family members, o kaya kayo na lang. Okay, the other one, you can also do online celebrations, no? Virtual na lang, lalo na kapag halimbawa yung asawa mo. Si Ma'am Joy, yung asawa niya, nasa Dubai na. O, paano ka mag-celebrate yan? So, pwedeng online na lang yung mga Christmas celebrations. Okay? Next, creative pursuits, no? So, since wala naman masyadong pasok yung mga anak natin during this time, you can also do things, yung mga things na you haven't done. Like, for example, you've been wanting to rearrange yung furnitures nyo, paikutin nyo lang, not necessarily bibili ka ng furniture, para magkaroon lang ng creativity sa mind mo. Kaya painting, you can do painting, ano pa ba? Ano pa bang mga hilig ng ibang mga kasama natin? Sino pa ba mga may creative persons dito? Yung iba nagpapayaman. Yun ang creative persons nila. Okay? Now, the other one is relaxation technique. So, sinasabi nila deep breathing. Pag na-stress, pahinga lang. Hinga ng malalim. Ayan, mga ganyan. Wala na. Or you can also do yung yoga. Okay? Or do some meditation. Meditation, it can also just be like 5 minutes lang, punta ka lang sa sulok, pikit mo lang mata mo para tahimik lang. Diba? Okay, and then gentle exercises, you can do yung mga pilates, no? Yung mga stretching. So marami yan sa YouTube, no? You just check on your computer or your cell phone. Do gentle exercises. Hindi kailangan mag-zumba sa katawan. Okay, next. Okay, don't forget, no, to get mental health support. So, you can do this by seeking professional help. Actually, meron din psychologist din dito sa Isabela, pero parang isa lang ata, no? Doktora. di ba? Pero may psychiatrist din, no? So, I'm sure mayroon yan dito sa atin, no? Okay? So, don't be scared to get, to seek health support. Then the other one, yung support groups. Okay? So, yung mga events like this, na nag-gatherings kayo, you get a lot of ideas from other patients and you realize, ay, mas grabe pala yung experience niya. Sa akin pala, parang katitig lang, akala mo mamamatay ka na, di ba? So, yung iba, so nakakompare mo yung sarili mo na, ay, blessed pala ako. Ay, buti na lang eh. So, you feel better, di ba? Okay, so, we have support groups, and then, these are the other ways, no? Why they can benefit your mental health. Number one, you can benefit just by listening. Di ba? Nakikinig ka. Doon nga, sabi ko, nare-realize mo, ay, okay pala, no? Hindi pala masyadong grabe nangyari sa akin. And then you'll remember that you're not alone. Ay, parehas pala kami na nangyari, ganyan. Tingnan mo siya, ganyan na, Di ba? Na-aware. And then you can also learn new coping skills. So, katulad ng sinabi ng isa, I'm a TikTokerist. Di ba? Yun yung kanyang coping skills, nagti-TikTok. No? So, ano nga pala yung pangalan niya sa TikTok? Sino ba yun? Si Mom Grace? Napin ko nga yan. Okay. Next. You can also get mental health support from online sources. Like for example, in this website, lupus.net, meron po siyang maraming mga information about lupus, how to cope, mga ganyan, no? So, you'll understand more of your condition. Okay. Malapit na tayo matapos, okay? Again, I would like to remind, if there's something unusual na may nafe-feel ka, don't hesitate to consult your doctor, no? So, I'm Doktora, I'm based really sa Kawayan, but Dr. Dominic De La Cruz, hello po, tayo po kayo. Rheumatologist din po siya, no? So, we trained in UST and he's my junior, no? So, after ko siya naman yung nag-training, so, buti na lang, at least meron ruma sa atin. Kasi alam mo, in other provinces, wala pa, no? So, yung mga areas nga ng mga Western Isabela, ganyan, hindi na namin ma-cover, no? So, unfortunately, ito lang yung kaya namin ma-cover. Okay? Then, adhere to treatment plans. For those patients na ang tagal na ng sakit nila, sometimes, ina-adjust na nila yung gamot nila. Medyo dangerous yun, no? Kasi, di ba tayo nag-a-adjust tayo ng gamot, based dun sa laboratory rin mo, no? As we correlate yung clinical symptoms, yung lab test nyo, tapos dun tayo nag-a-adjust o nagpapalit ng gamot, no? So, actually, we hate steroids kasi ang daming side effect nun. Kung pwede nga lang matanggal, di ba? So, some patients self-medicate, naakyat baba na lang. So, medyo dangerous and high risk of infections and other complications. And then, next is be prepared, okay? Like yung mga patients, nitong nakaraang bagyo, di ba magkakasunod? So, some patients, they run out of medicine. So, pag nakikita mo na napaubos na, make sure, no? Kailangan may supply ka na, no? Huwag ka mong hayaan na wala kang medicine for a very long time. Okay? Okay, so, if you plan to go somewhere else, you want to go to Manila, to Austria, or US, or kahit saan, don't forget the survival kit. Okay, so here, always bring your medications, and if you have supplements, like for example, mga vitamins, calcium, ganyan, always bring them with you. Then bring comfort items. Ano yung mga nagko-comfort sa inyo? Sa akin yung mga, yung mga tipong, alam mo yun, yung omega painkiller, yung mga ganun. Okay, kanina mo, ano ba? Sila?
Apekasan oil.
Yung mga essential oils, yung iba, gano'n. Yun ang kanilang comfort items. Ano mga iba, kasama nila yung mga bear, ano yun? Dolls or mga, ano pa? Mga pillows, okay? Then, don't forget your hydration pack. Dala ka lagi ng water bottle, no? And then snacks. relaxation tools. Di ba may mga pang-massage, pang-hot packs, no? Just in case may pain here and there, meron kang ilalagay sa mga likod-likod mo, kaya sa long pass. Ganyan. Okay, and then also don't forget emergency contact information. Especially kung halimbawa you are going to travel alone, no? So dapat nakalagay yun sa pitaka mo, okay? Okay, so as a summary, meron akong P for prioritize self-care. Unahin muna ang sarili. Hindi yon it's not being selfish if you take care of yourself, no? It's being happy within yourself, okay? Second, set realistic expectations, okay? Don't do a lot of things all at the same time. Learn to manage your time, no? Plan ahead. And then seek support. Don't forget you have your family, your husband, your kids, especially malalaki na, you can depend on them. And also, stay hydrated. Okay? So yun lang. If you have any questions, you can ask me now. Meron bang question? Practical lang naman ito eh. So, again, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Welcome dun sa mga bagong dating, si Ma'am Leia, sino pa? Si Teacher Maylin. Sino pa yung humabol? Ma'am, sorry, Ma'am Lalaine, okay. So, Ma'am, ano rin, Ma'am? Ma'am Des, okay, welcome po. So, hope you enjoy yung party, yung food, saka yung games later, ha? Okay, what's the next po?